Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so I made a video earlier of me cooking a pancake. But for some reason it got deleted off my video camera. So now I'm filming with my phone. But anyways, so you can't really see me actually cook the pancake. I'm just about to put on all of the good stuff on it. Oh yeah, I didn't get to tell you this week's theme. So this week's theme is a cooking week, and so I'm going to be making like a really delicious dessert or snack, whatever. So let me show you my pancake. Hold on. Here's my pancake. It's like really thick and gross. Don't worry. I'll be putting a lot of stuff on it, so it'll still be good. Okay, let's get cracking. So the items you'll need are a plate, Nutella. Everything's good with Nutella, trust me. Sour creams, and last but not least, ice cream. It doesn't really have to be Smarties, but I just had this in the freezer and I thought I should use it. So, okay, let me get my pancakes. Just slop the pancake right on there. Yeah. Okay. So, first, what you'll put on the pancake is some Nutella. Just get a knife and scoop out some chocolate. Wait, first you need to open it. There you go. And just slap some Nutella on. I don't have much Nutella left, sadly. But I think it'll be enough for this. You can put a lot more than that. I didn't have enough, but whatever. Okay. Then you have to put on your sour keys. So I personally like these, but you can use any, of course. So just rip some in half. So then it will just look like this. Yummy! Okay, then finally you'll need your ice cream. Okay, so I can't really find the ice cream scooper, so I'm just gonna use a regular spoon. See if this works. Yeah, okay. So just put as many as you like. Don't be shy now. Have this. So now what you need to do is just fold it in half, like so, and then you just bite. Oh my gosh, this is actually really good. So, hopefully you'll learn a thing or two on Devera's cooking show. This is really good. Okay, so tune in next week on Dim Ratchet Girls, and I guess I'll see you then. Goodbye.